All right, let's try this again, man. Um, Technical problems this morning. I was like 7 minutes into the other video, then realized no volume is being recorded. But anyways, I was back from the top. Hi, it's got Cody. Here's your plan of attack for today, and it is February 2nd, 7:16 Central. All right, so we'll go back to the top. All right, so FOMC was yesterday. Price liked, or the market liked what OJP was saying. And we're rallying right up into this HVA that was right here, high value area. And then it's also point of control. Um, so about 6 months ago. So we're rallying up into a volume-based resistance level is how I am acknowledging it. So we're rallying up to here. Now the question is, do we completely ram right through? I don't know. I am not expecting we do for a few reasons. Mainly because you can see how price hit here, got rejected, price got here, got rejected, price got right here, and was rejected. So after this huge run up, I don't think we're gonna go yeah to the moon today. Kind of what I am thinking is maybe the market needs to consolidate, flag a little bit right here, or maybe even pull back, and then we continue higher. That's kind of how I'm viewing it based off of the resistance that is right here. This is a really big level. You can see how, like I mentioned, it was hit a bunch of times. You can see all the volume that was transacted here. So it's volume-based resistance. And at the moment is, do we anticipate that volume being strong enough to push the market higher for the day anyways? At the moment, I'm kind of not anticipating it is, though I could be completely wrong. But how am I looking to play this? Oh, and there's one other thing to talk about. So there is a daily squeeze that has been firing on the ES, right? But we're starting to get early out signals at what I am considering a resistance level. So all that being said, I think either potentially a pullback may occur today versus a huge up move, or maybe a small candle today and not a huge one as the market digests what was said yesterday. Though the market's looking great to the upside right now, and I'll discuss that some. All right, so let's talk about some volume levels. All right, so the market is currently above the point of control that has occurred overnight. So that is looking bullish at the moment, though the volume still hasn't even peaked for the day. So there's that level. And then on the spike up yesterday, some things worth watching and keeping an eye on is basically 41.32 is going to be a strong support level. So basically as price bounced around right here, you can see that's where a lot of volume transacted as price pushed back up. And also near here at about 41.42. If these levels hold, I guess we can anticipate a stronger move. But once price comes up here and test these levels, it'd be interesting to see what happens. Like it looks great to the bullish side right now, but what if it goes boop and then back down? And then I'm not saying all the way back down, but like, hey, we hit resistance and now we're gonna do a little pullback, build up energy before I continue push higher. That's kind of the way I'm leaning. There's some key factors on that. So what about today? How can we trade today? Some things worth noting is there is a 30-minute squeeze that is building up. It is currently looking like it wants a slingshot to the bullish side. I also know that there is a 15-minute squeeze that has been building up and looking like it wants a slingshot to the upside as well. So all that being said, it sounds like the bullish play is the idea, right? But I want to give it a few minutes to shake out as far as direction goes. So price has been consolidating here on the hourly chart. Looks great bullishly. We do have a 30-minute squeeze building up for a slingshot, and if this does indeed go this way, then that will fire the 30-minute squeeze back up to the upside as well. But I want to be patient today. I'm not looking to rush it, just due to the larger time frame resistance level that is up here. So, all right. So what about today? How do I want to trade today? I am kind of in the camp of doing a call credit spread drama freestyle. And I'll explain why. So I'm zooming in here. And this orange is that 3-month point of control. All right. So if price does rally and pierce all the way up here, on the ES and we start to get dots, like price is starting to stall, then I think I want to throw on a drama-free credit spread, looking for just a pullback to the VWAP. But the bullish play today, I don't want to do based off of this resistance level. Like, I know everything looks great to the upside. I really do. But I am not wanting to go ahead and fight the larger term trend because it looks great right now, but the story can change. It pushes up here, stalls, and then if it stalls and just pulls back to here, that's cool. Just a small candle for the day, but that's still the trade. And that's right now. As far as a bullish trade I would want to take today, I have a hard time wanting to go bullish based off this larger time frame. So I'm thinking drama free style credit spread for right now. But we'll see what the market looks like. No reason to rush it after the open. Just let it all shake out and let the market digest everything. And as far as news today, it doesn't look like we have really anything. Employment claims, we can see what happens there. It may or may not move the market around, but we see as well. But other than that, looks like a pretty neutral day. So that's kind of like what I'm thinking as far as right now. Spike up, get the dots, get the arrows, and then take it for reversion back down. Now, what if all this squeezes and stuff does want to play out to the upside? Am I going to play a bullish trade? I don't think so. I want to wait and see. Like I said, the larger time frame is telling me that this may be resistance, so I want to wait to see what unfolds from there. If not, then I may just be patient and not even take it as of yet and probably just build up my swing trade list. But that's my plan for today. Looking forward to come up here, get some dots, get to sell arrows, right? Oops, sorry, that's really bad drawing. Get the dots, arrows, bam, take it back down. But I am looking for at least 41.20 to hold its support based off the volume. But yeah, that's my plan today. Don't really want to go bullish today based off of the overhead resistance. And like I said, it's really all because of not only the point of control, but if you take a step back and just look at how many times price hit here and failed. So to me, the high probability trade is for the fourth time, we might get failed again. But we'll see. That's all I have for y'all. I'll be in the options room on the open, so we'll see what unfolds for us, and I'll get you small lot guys up and running with me as well. So everyone have an awesome day, and I will talk to y'all again tomorrow. Take care.